Hi everyone, welcome back to this video, my channel. In this video, we will be doing computer application technology, chapter 1, activity 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3. I have written the answers already, so it won't be much of a test thing going on. I'm just walking you through the activities. In this activity, we will be looking at Mpumi's transition from using school's computer labs to having a computer at home. The goal is to guide Mpumi in making informed decisions about a type of computer she needs, along with essential peripherals and process of efficient use. Mpumi will gain fundamental knowledge about computers essentials, empowering her for the productive and seamless work in her new computing environment. What kind of computer should Mpumi use? She should use personal computers because she will be using it for normal daily tasks and she does not need a computer with large memory. Two types of input devices you would need are obviously mouse and a keyboard. Basic. First input device you would need to use is a keyboard to type and mouse to move the cursor and everything. Two types of output devices you would be using: a monitor and a printer to print out her assignments, hypothetically saying, or to taking virtual lectures on the computer monitor. Two types of storage devices you would be needing: an external HDD or USB flash drive. Here we have to teach how she should create and save files. She will use her mouse to click on the Microsoft Word icon, which will open Microsoft Word on her monitor screen. As she uses a keyboard to type text in the Word document, the text will appear on her monitor. CPU will write the data she creates as a Word document to a computer's RAM, random access memory, temporary storage. When she is done, she clicks on Save As and saves the file as geography.docs. Computer moves the data from RAM to a disk drive, HDD or USB flash drive, permanent storage. She can choose to save the file in the default location or specific location on computer's storage device. Now we're doing activity 2. No, activity 1.2. We dive into the world of specialized devices and different types of computers. The tasks cover various ideas from getting to know dedicated devices to organizing computers based on how easy they are to carry and how powerful they are. This activity will help us understand more about different devices and how to choose the right one for specific needs, whether it's about what a device does or how easy it is to carry or how strong it is in processing information. We will gain valuable insights. These insights will empower us to pick the right tool for the job, making our understanding of technology even better. Briefly describe what a dedicated device is. A dedicated device is a device with an embedded computer that is designed to perform very specific functions. This is usually limited in what it can and cannot do. 5 examples of dedicated devices: a calculator, smart fridge, ATM, barcode scanner, digital watch. They are all embedded. Place the following devices in order from most portable to least portable, not possible, portable. Smartphone comes first, then a laptop computer, and then desktop computer, and then we have the mainframe. Place the following devices in order from most processing power to least processing power. First, we have the mainframe, then we have a server, then we have desktop computers, a laptop computer, and then smartphone. A, E, D, C, B. Device usage examples. We have to state the type of computing device needed or what the computing device is. David is working for a bank and needs to store petabytes for their data on a computer system. What would they use? Service. Mexico wants to create a small graphic design company and needs 10 computers suited for this purpose. Desktop PC. Marianne travels for business a lot. During these business trips, she needs a device that she can use to create and edit documents. Laptop. Darwin has a food blog where he posts pictures of different locations he has eaten at, so he needs to be able to take photos whenever he eats somewhere new. Smartphone, obviously, you can take it everywhere. Carmen is very artistic and wants a computer she can easily draw, sketch on whenever she explores a countryside and beach. A tablet. Emmanuel wants a simple and affordable computer he and his family can use at home. Akashra, Akshara, is a college learner who needs a computer she can practice programming in between lectures. Laptop. Bongi needs a device she can use to socialize with her friends on Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp. Smartphone. Now you can use a laptop as well, but smartphone is way better. Nike, Minke has decided to launch a website so she can sell her designer clothing online. This requires a computer that can store and manage information on her products, clients, and orders, etc. Server. Really? Uh, I would have written desktop as well, but server is fine. Oliver is a game developer that works from home and needs a very powerful computer that he can easily upgrade over time. Desktop PC. In the dynamic landscape of technology, workplaces continually harness information and communication technologies to enhance efficiency. This exploration delves into the role of ICTs, focusing on the workplace processes, payment systems, and communication improvement. Additionally, this activity is going to touch on the transformative impact of ICT in educational environments and anticipate potential job transformations. This activity looks at the diverse way in which ICT influence workplace and educational setting while prompting reflection on potential shifts in the future job landscapes. What are ICTs and why are they used in the workplace? ICTs are information and communication technologies, ICT. The main reason ICTs are used in the workplace is that they allow humans to do their work faster and more efficiently with a fewer waste. In workplace, how? ICT is used to improve the way get get paid. Employees don't need to be paid with physical cash. They can just be paid using online banking. Payment through online banking makes the payment process easier and quicker and can be done by anyone who has relevant details. With online banking, employees will be instantly notified as soon as the payment goes through, rather than constantly going to a physical bank or employer to check if they have been paid. This is very helpful, really is. In workplace, how are ICT is used to improve the way employees communicate with each other. Also mention two software programs that employees can communicate with. I want to answer the first one first. They can use Gmail or WhatsApp or Skype or Telegram. I usually use Telegram and WhatsApp, sometimes Instagram. Employees can communicate from anywhere around the world since they do not need to all be in one centralized location, and employees can stay connected using the internet and various software programs which allow for instant communication. Two examples of how ICTs can be used to improve school environment. Teachers can email learners reports directly to the parents. That's very risky, to be honest, if you don't study well. The school can email sick learners their homework. There's more even. We can use They can use, if learners are sick and can't attend school, they can use Google Classroom and take the lesson while at home, but also not be marked absent. Name two jobs that currently exist that you think will be replaced by ICTs in the future, and give a reason for each of your answers. Bank tellers will be replaced by ICTs because people do most of their banking online. Taxi drivers will be replaced by self-driving cars because they're safer and less risk, and there's less risk of being attacked by taxi drivers or be deceived by stranger claiming to be a taxi driver. Actually wouldn't trust the last one because what if that car was from a kidnapper and we think that, I mean, the kidnapper would have the access of the car and everything, and we can't unlock the door and we're stuck in the car and we're gonna go and we'll be kidnapped by a car that doesn't have a driver. Just imagine. Right. This is the end for this video. Next video, I'll be doing activity 1.4 and the revision exercise for chapter 1. See ya!